The burden of proof required for a successful trial verdict depends on the type of case that is being tried. In civil cases, the standard is often preponderance of evidence, otherwise known as more probably true. The Arizona Revised Jury Instruction states, burden of proof means burden of persuasion. On any claim, the party who has the burden of proof must persuade you, by the evidence, that the claim is more probably true than not true. This means that the evidence that favors that party outweighs the opposing evidence. In determining whether a party has met this burden, consider all the evidence that bears on that claim, regardless of which party produced it. Conversely, in criminal cases, the standard is proof beyond a reasonable doubt. The Arizona Revised Jury Instruction states, the state has the burden of proving the defendant guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. This means the state must prove each element of each charge beyond a reasonable doubt. In civil cases, it is only necessary to prove that a fact is more likely true than not, or that its truth is highly probable. In criminal cases such as this, the state's proof must be more powerful than that. It must be beyond a reasonable doubt. Proof beyond a reasonable doubt is proof that leaves you firmly convinced of the defendant's guilt. There are very few things in this world that we know with absolute certainty, and in criminal cases, the law does not require proof that overcomes every doubt. If, based on your consideration of the evidence, you are firmly convinced that the defendant is guilty of the crime charged, you must find him or her guilty. If, on the other hand, you think there is a real possibility that he or she is not guilty, you must give him or her the benefit of the doubt and find him or her not guilty. Knowing the correct standards of proof allow attorneys like Stephen Bridger from Pinal County Attorney's Office to correctly evaluate and present their case to a jury. For more, visit StephenBridgerArizona.com.